Emily Lawless, Care Coordinator with Allegiance Home Health. Today we're in my kitchen making a summer salad. Here I have a base of lettuce, fresh summer strawberries, candied almonds, and brie cheese. If I can get it out. Now for the dressing. Have half a cup of sugar, half a cup of vegetable oil, a third a cup of apple cider vinegar, a teaspoon of ground mustard, 1.5 tablespoons of poppy seeds. Now I'm gonna shake it up. Sure, lid's on good. I'm gonna shake up the dressing. My mother says 7 times. 7, or somewhere around there. Gonna pour over the salad, not too much to start. Toss it up. This salad is great for any lunch or summer dish with some chicken, turkey, shrimp, or protein of your choice, or just as it is. And here we go, the summer salad. Enjoy.